When you're out with your friends or you're at a party that it's summertime and it's really hot, like 80, 90 degrees, even almost 100 degrees, even a little bit past 100 degrees, you might want something nice and cold and refreshing to drink. Is that true? Yes, it is true because you are boiling hot. Hi, I'm Jay Simkowitz and welcome back to Cooking with Jay Simkowitz. Today, I'm going to be making a nice, refreshing water that you can have with friends, family, parties, whenever you want, whenever you are boiling hot. It's a great way to even help you lose weight because you're detoxing your body. So, what you're going to need for this is you're going to need honey. You're going to need 1,000 mLs of water. That is 4 cups of water in a nice jug and not filled up all the way. You're going to need a tea bag of peppermint. That is important. And you're going to need 1 full lemon. So the first thing you're going to do is cut your lemon. Going to cut it in half. And you're going to squeeze half a lemon. Now be careful you don't get the seeds in your lemon, in your water at the moment. Okay, so do your best to not get any of those seeds. No one wants to be choking on those seeds. That's just gross. So you add that in there, okay? Now you put it to the side, and you take your other half of your lemon, and you're going to cut it into thin slices. Okay, just a couple of these. Like 3 or 4 of them, whichever way you can get them. It's hard because you're using half a lemon. So you got to be very careful you don't cut your fingers, because it is a major possibility. Now you got to remove those seeds. You see there are seeds in there. You want to remove them out. Got to be very careful with this, because your lemon slices are really thin and you don't want them to break apart. Sometimes you're going to get a lot of seeds, and sometimes you're going to get none, and sometimes you're going to get maybe 1 or 2. Okay, there you go. They've all been taken out. Now you're going to cut them into halves. So you got 6 pieces. Now you're going to add them into your water. Now you add in your tea bag. Okay? You're going to add it right in. Just stick it in there. If you got a spoon, use a spoon. Stick it all in there. Mix it up a little bit. Now, the final ingredient is the honey. You need pure, raw honey for this. You use any other honey, it will not come out properly. So you're going to use a teaspoon, and you're going to get a full teaspoon of it. Okay, a nice big, hunking big thing of it. and you're going to add it right into the lemon water. And you mix it up. Just be sure to get all that honey off your teaspoon, because if you don't, it's all going to stay on there. You see? Still on mine. You want to try to remove it as much as possible. If you can't, that's okay. Just lick off the spoon. It tastes amazing as can be, as I'll show you. Okay, so now what you need to do is refrigerate it for 20 minutes. Or you can put it, well, refrigerate it for 20 minutes, but I mean 20 minutes doesn't really do justice on that. Hold on a sec, there's still some around here. It doesn't do justice when it's only 20 minutes. You want it to be nice and cold. That's what you want to happen. So you can stick it in the freezer for 20 minutes, or you can put it in the fridge for about 45 minutes to an hour where it's nice and cold. So I'm going to stick it in the fridge for the hour and come back and show you what it looks like and how it tastes when it is done. Okay, so now that our drink is out of the fridge, because it's been over an hour of it getting nice and cold, we're going to add it into a glass. I'm going to add it into two glasses because my mom is going to try this with me. So Mom, if you want to come over here and try this with me. Okay, she's going to be a tester to see what she thinks of it. And so, drink it.
Oh, I like the taste.
That's not bad, actually. That's really not bad.
Oh, I like that.
That's good. Okay. Okay, so what you can do is you can add more tea into it, more peppermint tea if you want to make it stronger. You can add more lemon. You can add in more honey if you want. It's up to you. The end result, it's up to you how much. But drinking one of these a day or at least twice, two of these a day will be great for detoxing your body, or even just to have something nice and refreshing at a party with your friends or family, just so that you can have something nice and cold on a hot day. Like today is hot, and this is worth it. So good, and as you heard my mom say it was really good. So I hope you, yeah, as she said, it is. So I hope you enjoyed this. Hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel. Also share this with your friends, family, and all your social medias. And also remember, you guys are awesome. You guys are amazing. You're one of a kind. You guys are beautiful. And thank you for being part of Cooking Squad. And thank you so much for just watching my video. And most importantly, remember, keep calm and cook on.